everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. I am Jamie Beth. Today we're going to do a fun, simple, easy to do Christmas look. So this is going to be a Christmas look that you guys can wear out during the holiday seasons. If you are seeing family or trying to get out, even if it is in small groups or even if it is social distancing via Zoom with your family, at least you can have a pretty face with a pretty eye look to go along with your social distancing. So we're going to jump right into this look, and while I'm doing my makeup today, I'm going to read you some really cool Christmas fun facts. We are going to start off with priming our face, and I'm going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter Primer today. And I'm also going to tell you guys the very first Christmas fun fact. So first Christmas fun fact. Christmas trees were banned by President Teddy Roosevelt in the White House in 1901 because the president was concerned about the environmental effects. However, his sons decorated a small tree that they cut from the White House grounds and hid it in their closet until Christmas morning. The foundation I'm going to use today is this one. It's Dose of Colors, and it is in the shade 113 Light. Do you guys have your Christmas trees up or any Christmas decorations up? We actually put up our Christmas decorations before Thanksgiving this year, and I am usually very adamant about Christmas decorations, you know, kind of waiting as much as possible until like after Thanksgiving. Our tree definitely doesn't go up until after Thanksgiving. I might sometimes decorate our mantle on our fireplace with Christmas stuff just because my kids like love Christmas. So I might do that, but Christmas tree definitely does not go up until after Thanksgiving. So tell me what you guys do. Do you guys, are you decorate before Christmas, decorate for Thanksgiving? Do you decorate after, or do you wait until December 1st? How do you guys do it? Let me know in the comments below. All right, while I do this, another little fun fact is Christmas trees are grown in all 50 states, including Hawaii and Alaska. However, California, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Michigan, North Carolina, Washington, and Wisconsin are the top Christmas tree producing states in the United States. All right, my next question for everybody is, when you do get a tree to decorate, do you have an artificial tree, or do you have, or do you go get a real tree? And if you get a real tree, what do you like about the real tree? Now, we have an artificial tree. I like artificial trees. I don't like needles falling everywhere. I have small children. I just think artificial trees are a little too messy. But tell me what you think. All right, we are going to go in with some concealer now, and I'm using the Dose of Color concealer. I absolutely love this concealer. It is in the shade 08 Light. And another fun fact, each year approximately 10 million Christmas turkeys are eaten in the UK and 22 million in the United States. That is a lot of turkey. Oh, tell me, what do you guys eat? Are you guys like turkey fans for Christmas as well as Thanksgiving? Do you do ham for Christmas? What kind of meal do you guys have for Christmas? Like, what is your like go-to thing? We do a pretty fancy dinner. My brother and his fiance make us crab legs and some type of meat. So we always have like a really cool fancy dinner. Well, the grown-ups do. The kids usually eat mac and cheese or something simple that little ones like to eat because they're not big on crab legs, but the adults are. So that's what we have. Crab legs and some type of fancy meat. We eat very well for Christmas. I'm gonna set all of this with the Too Faced Peach Perfect Setting Powder. Okay, we are now gonna bronze up the face, and I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I love this bronzer, it's so nice. I hadn't used it for quite some time, and then I found it in my little stash of makeup, and I'm back to using it. Okay, another really cool Christmas fun fact. And I did not know this, but it makes perfect sense. Did you ever wonder about the string on the little box of animal crackers? I'm talking about the little boxes of them. Introduced around Christmas in 1902, the string was intended to be used to hang the Cracker Jack boxes on your Christmas tree. So that's kind of cool. All right, I'm gonna rosy up my cheeks now with the Burt's Bees Blush and Shy Pink. So here's that. This is my absolute favorite blush. Okay, we are going to move into eye makeup, and we're going to start off with creating a little bit of a nude eye, and then we're going to add some color to it to make it kind of that Christmassy feel. So we're going to start off by using this palette. This is the Going Coconuts palette by ColourPop. And our next fun fact we are going to discuss while I start off my eye makeup is fruitcakes. Has anyone ever even tried a fruitcake? I've seen them. I might have been given one, but I don't know if I've actually ever ate it. They just kind of freak me out a little bit. So let me know if you've ever actually ate a fruitcake. However, fruitcakes last a long time intentionally. They were originally baked at the end of the harvest, and some of the cake was saved to be eaten at the beginning of the harvest the following year, as people thought that would bring good crop. It is the sugar and alcohol combination that helps them last so long. Huh, that is very interesting. I'm going to start off with a transition shade out of this palette, and we're going to go with this one in the corner right here, this nice little light color. What is that called? It's called, oh, Shredded. That is what the color is called, and I'm just going to put that over my eyelid just to kind of set a base for our eyeshadow. And then using the same big fluffy brush, I'm going to go in with this shade on the other ends, and that is called Coolada. It's this one right here on the end. Oh, it would help if I showed it to you, huh? Right here where my finger is pointing. And I'm going to take that into the crease. Another question I have for everyone is, do you have a specific theme for your Christmas tree? So is it like all reds and greens, or is there like certain ornaments that you use, or is it, you know, just filled with a bunch of like family ornaments? Mine is, I started off before I had children, when my husband and I were first married. We started off with kind of like a red and gold themed tree. It was really neat. I had little things sticking out of it. It was super fancy looking, and now has evolved into our little kids' handprints and ornaments that they've made, and just a hodgepodge of all the cute little memories and whatnot we've had with having children. I love our tree now. It's so cool. Now what I'm going to do is, because I like the way this is going right now, so we're just going to keep it the way it is right now, but we're going to add a little bit of color. And we are going to add a sparkly green color, out of this palette. So this is the Just My Luck palette by ColourPop, and I love the greens in this palette. We are going to use this gorgeous, gorgeous green on the end, and that one is called Big Banks. So I'm just going to take my finger and I'm going to pat that all over my eyelid. While I'm doing that, let's have another Christmas fun fact. Our image of Santa Claus has some interesting origins. Early pictures of St. Nicholas show him with a stern expression. Santa Claus originally appeared in a newspaper ad. Washington Irving is credited with creating Santa's flying sleigh in 1819, and cartoonist Thomas Nast began illustrating our current image of Santa in Harper's Weekly in 1863. I know this looks a little wonky right now, but it will come together, I promise, so just bear with me. And we are going to go back to our Coconuts palette, Going Coconuts palette, and we're going to go into this darker shade right on the end here. And what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take this, I'm going to do my lower lash line. So we're just going to go whoop, do our lower lash line, and then we're going to start blending up into that eye, that outer corner, and into that crease with a little bit of a darker shade. And I promise you, again, this is going to come together, so just bear with me. In fact, historically, Saint Nicholas lived in the province of Lycia in the 4th century AD. A Dutch name for Saint Nick was Sinterklaas, phonetically changed to Santa Claus in the English-speaking world. Okay, now we're going to take a little blending brush, and we're going to be going in with that darker shade, and we're just coming over the edge of where we put that green and where we have that transition shade. Then we're going to take a little bit more, and we're just going to dab that outer corner. And then I'm going to take that big fluffy brush that we used first, and we're just going to go and blend in all the edges here. I'm going to take more of that, or I'm going to take that green, this middle green color right here. I'm going to go over the dark areas where I put that dark shadow on my lid and cover it with the green. Okay, and I'm going to take my big fluffy blending brush. I'm going to blend those edges out. All right, and then I'm going to go back into that nice little shimmery shade, and I'm just going to touch up where I blended those two green shades together. I'm going to take a tiny little smudger brush. I'm going to dip into that green, and I'm going to bring that around the inner corner and onto the lower lash a little bit. We're going to take another little smudge brush, and we're going to go back into that Coconuts palette, and we're going to go into this bright middle shade right here. So just brightening up that inner corner. There we go. So now what we're going to do is add some liner, but first we're going to do another little Christmas fun fact. For you fans of Rudolph, Rudolph the reindeer was created by the U.S. Department Store Montgomery Ward to get children to buy Christmas coloring books. However, his nose was not red, as they did not want him to appear as a chronic alcoholic. Really? Wow. Moving along, we're going to go ahead and put some eyeliner on, and I'm just going to use my e.l.f. liquid liner, and we're going to pop that eyeliner on. And now I'm going to take my mascara, and I'm just going to add some mascara. I'm using the Essence Lash Princess and False Lash Effects. Another interesting Christmas fact is American families spend about $1,000 on Christmas presents a year. That is crazy. That is the average, $1,000 per family. How much do you guys spend on Christmas presents? Because I know I don't spend $1,000 on Christmas presents. I don't even come close to that. Also, another question for everyone, because I'm really curious. How many presents does Santa leave in your house? Does Santa leave all of the presents, or does Santa leave just one or two, or how many presents does Santa leave? Santa only leaves one present per kid in my household. Moving along, we are going to now go to lips. And I'm going to do a red lip today, and I'm going to use this is Ace Beauty's lip pencil, and it's in So Gorgeous, and I'm just going to line my lips with this, and I'm going to go in with the NARS. This is You're No Good lip stain. Now, I wanted to do a bold lip today. I love red lips at Christmas time. You feel free to do a nude lip. This look would look great with a nude lip as well, not, you know, but I wanted to do a red lip. I don't know, I just love red lips, so I did a red lip, but I think a nude lip would look just as pretty with this type of eye look. I'm going to finish off this look with some setting spray, and we're going to use the Morphe Continuous Mist setting spray. I am going to end with one more little Christmas fun fact. Many people think Black Friday is the busiest shopping day of the year in the United States. However, the busiest shopping days are the Friday and Saturday before Christmas. Here is our look for today. It's a really simple Christmas look, and it's a very wearable Christmas look. I hope you guys enjoy all of your Christmas decorating and family time, even if it is through Zoom meetings. We had to do a Zoom meeting with my family for Thanksgiving, and even though they weren't here with me, it was really nice to see everybody's faces. So I hope you guys have a great Christmas season, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Remember to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, as well as the notification bell next to it to be notified of all of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.